Hello my crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here to do another 10 on the 10th. 10 Christmas cards on the 10th of every month. And this is hosted by Kim, MetalScrappinChick here on YouTube. I'm going to be using Call Me Crafty Owl's sheet load from February 2020, which I just finished. And I was really amazed how fast I got these cards done. Now I filmed the process video and I would love for you to go see it. I'll be posting that on Wednesday. But anyway, here are my cards. I used a kit from Crafty Ola. It was a Christmas kit from a couple years ago. And I needed these are all her pattern papers, and some of the card bases are from her paper. But I think the pattern paper is gorgeous. And the button, now this is a die I got from Amazon. There's a set of 3 Christmas trees, one bigger than the other. So there's that one. And then this one, the middle matting piece, I totally destroyed by putting Nuvo drops on it too soon before I had attached it to the card. And so it smeared everywhere. So I made lemonade, and I had these, I cut all these in advance, you'll see on the process video. But I went ahead and glued this straight down and then popped this up on faux tape. And this Marion Bright is from the kit. I love die cut sentiments, so this was great. Here's some more card of her pattern paper and the sentiment. Now I had to get creative because these were 6x6 pieces, and so I didn't have enough to do what I wanted. So I started experimenting with the sizes, and this is what I came up with. So these are 2 pieces of pattern paper, background paper, matting, and then a tree in the middle. And here's the tree, the Marion Bright, and 2 different pattern papers. Love the plaid. And here's another one that I did. 1.5 inch pieces. And then I might go ahead and put some bling on here still to kind of fill up that empty spot. But I had to shoot this, and I wanted to give them time to dry. I'm famous for messing up my Nuvo drops. So here's a pretty wine color tree, the green Marion Bright, and then here's this beautiful, I love this plum snowflake. I wish I had more of that. That's beautiful because it went really good with the plum color in the trees, and then the black Marion Bright. And then I did put Nuvo drops on this, and it already smeared a little bit. And I used the purple Marion Bright to pull out the purple in the pattern paper. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. If you would like to see my process video, I will be posting it on Wednesday. Thank you so much for watching, and you have a good day. Bye-bye.